What's good, people? So I wanted to quickly clarify something before we get into the video for today. So in order to make $100 a month specifically, you have to invest at least $1,000 in this. But you can invest however amount you can invest in this, and every month you would get a 10% return. So if you kind of quietly do the math, $1,000 invested, 10% of that is $100. So if you invested anything lower than that, you would basically get 10% of that. So let's get right into the video for today. What's good, people? Welcome back to another episode on this channel. So today I wanted to walk you guys through some idea called staking in the cryptocurrency space. So basically, what is staking? So here on Coinbase, you can see staking is the process of actively participating in transaction validation. So there's this idea called mining in the past where people will basically hash functions in order to basically unlock new Bitcoins. So this is a different type of thing. So this is proof of stake. So people in this system are basically validating transactions, and in return, you are earning rewards. So this is the reason I'm making this video today. So the idea of the rewards behind a person being a part of the system and validating. So this is just an example of a company. This company is called Voyager. And basically what they do is when you have your cryptocurrency in this portfolio, you're able to earn up to 10% interest, right, on your stable coins, whatever the coins are, and about 7.25% on Bitcoin. So this is a huge, very, very huge opportunity, because if you really think about it, this is a way for you to compound interest everything that you have, because number one, your Bitcoins and other cryptocurrency coins are appreciating in value. So let's say you invest $1,000, it is appreciating whenever the cryptocurrency's price actually increases. And then number two, if you're staking those coins, so if you have a long-term horizon and you're staking these coins, so staking meaning you're providing it the network with liquid. You're not giving it away. It's still yours, right? You still own it, but you're giving the network liquid because you're keeping your money in that coin, right? You get rewarded for doing that, and you get paid up to 7.25 or 10%, even upwards of 140, 150% that I've seen. And I'll show you in this video how you can get 150% annual percentage yield. So your bank account, your savings account gives you 1% annual percentage yield. And this right here, Voyager, as you can see, this example is 10%. And the one I'm going to break down in this video is 150%. So stay tuned for that. But while we're kind of at it, this idea is you can double up your compound interest. So while your value and your coin is appreciating, number two, you're also getting rewarded. And that reward could also go back into the coin, and that value also compounds and appreciates. So you can kind of see how this is a domino effect and how this cycles into each other and how much value you can actually get out of the system. So let's jump straight into it. So I'm going to walk you through how you can kind of get through this platform called PancakeSwap. So first things first, I'm going to go to my wallet on Binance, and I'm going to be sending some Binance over to my MetaMask over here, right? So I'm going to be sending some money, some funds over here because you can see I have 0 BNB. So I am going to be sending some Binance coins here, right? So you're going to get this safety reminder if you're in Binance. So boom, boom, boom. Yes, I've confirmed. Yep, if the thing is lost, it's likely that it's going to be lost. Yep, I understand. Okay, passed. So they make sure you don't lose your money. This is basically why they put you through that. So you're not sending to the wrong address, and you're not sending, because this system is still pretty complex when it comes to cryptocurrency. Still pretty complex, but I think, with time and patience, it's very easy to kind of navigate it over time. Everything is difficult for everybody when they start, but if you stick with it and you stick with me, we're going to be fine on this road. So here I'm going to send it over, and it's going to take a while. So I'm going to hit submit, and that's going to send over. So first I have to verify. So I'm going to do that really quick. All right. So the withdrawal was successful. It's completed. So I'm going to pull up my MetaMask here. You're going to be able to see. As you can see, my BNB is here in the account. So I am ready for business. So here you go in the background, you can see there's this website, PancakeSwap.finance. So basically, this is a platform and exchange that allows you to basically do a few things. So on the left side here, you can see it says trade, farms, pools. So don't worry about everything else for now. Let's focus on these two things here: trades, farms, and pools. First things first, actually, you're going to need, if this is your first time, you're going to need to connect your profile here. So you're going to have to click this and log in your wallet. So make sure you do that here. So once you're logged in and you're ready to go, you want to click on pools on the left side of the screen. And as you can see here, look at the APYs that I mentioned earlier. So 143%. So the way it works is you buy this specific coin that you're staking. So in this case, this coin is called Cake. And Cake is basically the coin of PancakeSwap, this platform. So that's the risk that comes with staking. If the value of the coin you're staking in goes down, then the value overall goes down, regardless of whatever percentage returns you're getting, right? So always make sure you're staking into something that you just generally understand how it works and you generally believe it might be a good investment, right? So as you can see, like all these numbers are ridiculously high APY. So I'm just kind of showing you what is in this space, right? So for this example today, I will be staking some Cake. So connect. Yes, it's going to charge a transaction fee, 21 cents, which is not bad, right? So I plan to stake Cake in here. We're going to give it a second to see what happens here. I also do not have Cake, so I want to see what it does, right? So, okay, you can now stake in the symbol Volt. Okay, so when I click stake, I believe that's where you're able to stake. So as you can see here, there are 18 million Cake coins staked in the pool at this moment. So right now, as you can see, yep, I have some insufficient funds, so I'm going to buy Cake. So it's going to take me here, right? And I have some BNB, so I'm going to exchange some BNB for Cake. In this case, I'm going to do 0.3 or 0.3, I mean. And then we're going to change this to Cake. Boom, right? So not quite enough, so I will be doing 0.1. Let's see how many. That is still one Cake. Let's do right around 0.2, half of it, right? Okay, so we're gonna go and get 4 coins. Let's say 4. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's do this for this example that I'm showing y'all. So we're gonna pick up this, right? So I'm gonna swap 0.25 BNB to 4 Cake coins, and then boom, it's gonna confirm gas fee 0.25 cents. Okay, view on BSC scan. Okay, so here we're gonna go back to pools. All right. Give it a second. Whenever I record my screen, things start looking weird. So we're gonna go max and put all 4 in there. So equivalent of $156-ish there. So I'm gonna confirm this and I'm gonna stake it in the pool. And it's gonna charge another fee, which is like barely even a cent, basically 0. And I'm gonna let that go through. Don't worry too much about the fees. The fees are relatively cheap. And if you consider the long-term scope of things, it's not going to matter if you're earning from staking here, right? So, okay, here we go. So we are in here right now. Let's see how this goes. If you want to add, if you want to drop out, you're able to kind of pick back up. So here, this is how you are able to stake. So right now, I can't really show you my profits, but you know, I will update you on what my profits are going to look like in a couple. As you can see, it is starting to move a little bit. So far so good, 12 cents. And I haven't really done much. So, relatively okay. We'll see how things continue to move. But, this was just a quick video on showing you, wasn't quick at all, but this was just a thorough guide trying to show you how you can get invested in staking by getting high percentage returns. So the risks are there. It is involved. As you can see, I had to buy cake coins, so I had to put money into a coin, into an asset. So if that asset goes down, then you lose money, right? So that I'm just trying to let you guys know what the risks are involved in this. But overall, the upside is very high if you weigh your risk and your reward. Personally, me weighing the risk and reward, I find it pretty interesting. So I'm dabbling in it here and there. So this was just a video to show y'all something really quick about how to earn up to 143.88% annual percentage returns, right? So I can earn up to 37 cake coins per $1,000 by the end of 365 days. So I will be bringing you more updates, more informational stuff to help you continue to earn as you move forward. This was your boy Elijah. If you want to hear any more updates, if you want to learn anything related to cryptocurrency or just investing in the stock market or finding your career path in general, definitely stay tuned to this channel because we're always giving tips here and there whenever we can and sharing just insights in general. If you like this video, definitely smash that like button and share with your friends if you think they will find it helpful. It was your boy Elijah. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you soon. Peace.